Welcome back everyone to another episode of Bill Hannah Baking. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible oatmeal raisin cookie. Now I know an oatmeal raisin cookie doesn't get as much love as the famous chocolate chip cookie, but I promise you, if you make this, it'll be really good. If this is your first visit to my page, check out my channel and you can see all kinds of other recipes that are easy to make at home. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let's get started. You're going to need 1 cup melted unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups packed brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup white sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cups of quick oats, 1 cup bread flour, 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, or just use exclusively all-purpose flour if that's all you got, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 cups of raisins. Now you can mix up raisins and craisins. My wife and I like to play cookie roulette and do half chocolate chip cookies and half raisins and just kind of see what we get. In a large bowl, beat butter, sugars, eggs, and vanilla together until creamed. In another bowl, mix your oats, your flours, baking soda, and the salt together really well. You want to make sure this dry mix is really well mixed. Now slowly add your dry mixture to your wet mixture. Finally, you're going to add your raisins or whatever it is you decided as your fixins. I'm going to split my dough because I'm going to make half raisins and half chocolate chips. And your cookie dough is done. Now you could bake this immediately, but the cookies will spread out a bit because the dough is going to be warm. So I recommend you put this in the fridge for about an hour or more. This gives the butter a chance to firm up and give the cookies a better shape when you do bake it. If you bake it right away, the cookies will spread out, whereas if you bake it after the dough is cooled, they'll have a much better shape and retain their structure. If you've seen my chocolate chip cookie video, you'll know I like to chill my cookie dough in this cylindrical shape. This makes it super convenient to just cut off some cookies when I'm ready to bake them. You can also freeze them this way. When you're ready to bake your cookies, you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to keep the cookies in there for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on how cool your cookie dough is. What you're really looking for is the browning around the edge of the cookie. Once that starts in the oven, your cookies are done, take them out and let them cool. Look how soft that cookie is. This is after they've cooled down. Hopefully you're able to follow along and bake your own cookies. I'd love to know how your cookies turned out in the comments. I'll continue to post recipes regularly at least for another 4 weeks. Keep checking in for more. See you when I see ya.